Hello, I'm teacher Etta. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential rules of the English grammar and the usage. Clear, practical tips that will help you communicate with confidence. This is your simple, all-in-one guide to the most important English rules. I've made it super easy for non-native speakers to follow. Watch the YouTube video, pause it, repeat it, and practice it out loud. In this video, we'll explore the most important rules of English usage and grammar. First, we'll look at articles, a, an, and the. Then we'll move to prepositions, the words that show position and place. Next, we'll study homophones, words that sound the same but mean something different. After that, we'll cover verb tenses rules, past, present, and future. Finally, we'll finish with punctuation rules, the traffic signs of writing. By the end, you will have a simple, complete guide to these 5 essential grammar topics. Articles in English are small words, a, an, and the. We place them before nouns to show whether the nouns are specific or general. Just to remind you, a noun is a naming word. It identifies a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. For example, teacher, school, book, happiness, they are all nouns. They are one of the most basic building blocks of English grammar. Okay, now let's start. Articles are little words that go before nouns, people, places, things, and ideas. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound, like B, C, D, and so on. An is used before words that start with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. The is used for something specific. We both know which one. Quick tip, listen to the first sound, not just the letter. Here are a few examples. I saw a dog in the park. Dog starts with the consonant sound D, so it is a dog. She ate an apple for lunch. Apple starts with a vowel sound, A, so it's an apple. The teacher is kind, specific, teacher, we know. So it is the teacher. He has a big red balloon. B is a consonant sound. We visited an old castle yesterday. Vowel sound. The sun is shining today. Specific, sun, in the sky. I want a new pencil. Consonant. She read an interesting book. Vowel, and so on. Next, we will explore prepositions, the words that show position, direction, and place. Prepositions tell us where something is, in, on, under, behind, between, near, above, below, in front, or next to. They are like little magic location words. Tip, imagine a box and a ball. Where is the ball? Some examples. The cat is in the box. The book is on the table. The dog is under the chair. The bird is behind the tree. And so on. Now we will look at homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Homophones sound the same but have different spelling or meanings. We understand them through context, the story around the word. Some are especially tricky, and we'll cover the common ones you asked about too. First, we will look at there, there, there. They all sound the same, right? The first one, there. It's a place over there. The next one, there. It belongs to them. Lastly, there. They are. That's the short form. Here is some examples to make it easy and more understandable. Look there. The ice cream truck is coming. Their bikes are blue and fast. They're going to the park after school. Put the books there on the shelf. Their teacher gave them stickers. And so on and so on. Next, we will look at your and your. Your, something that belongs to you. Okay? Your, that's the short form of you are. Your. Here are some examples to explain it and make it easy to understand. This is your backpack. You're a great singer. Your shoes are under the bed. You're my best friend. Can I borrow your pencil? You're going to love this game. Your drawing is beautiful. Now, let's look at its and its. As you can hear, they sound exactly the same. But after I show you a few examples, you will understand it better. First one, its, belongs to it, no apostrophe. The next one, its, is just the short form of it is or it has. Right? Here are some examples to make it a bit easier for you. The dog wagged its tail. It's raining outside. The robot lost its battery. It's time for recess. It's my favorite movie. It's getting late. Next up is then and then. Then, that's just next, or after that, or at that time. Then is used to compare two things. Here are a few examples. First, we eat, then we play. She is taller than her brother. I finished homework, then I watched TV. This apple is sweeter than that one. We will go to the zoo, then the park. My bike is faster than yours. Study first, then you can go and play. The movie was better than the book. Now, let's look at affect and effect, and you will understand it better soon. A, affect, is to change or influence something, usually a verb. Effect, E, is the result, usually a noun. Here are some examples. Rain can affect your picnic plans. The medicine had a good effect on her. Loud music affects my concentration. Exercise will affect your health positively. The teacher's words affect how I feel. Right. Now let's look at who and whom. At least they sound different. Who, that's a subject. Who does the action? Whom, that's the object. Who receives the action? Whom is more formal. Many people now use who only. Some examples. Who is your best friend? To whom did you give the gift? Who wants to play tag? Who baked these yummy cookies? Who is coming to my birthday? For whom is this letter? Lastly, let's look at lay and lie. Lay, to put something down. It needs an object. Lie, to rest or recline. No object. Here are some examples. Please lay the book on the table. I want to lie down and rest. Mum laid the baby in the crib. The cat likes to lie in the sun. Yesterday I lay on the grass. And there's a few more examples for you. Verb tenses rules. Past, present and future. I have created a full video on this topic for you to watch. You'll find the link in the description, or simply subscribe to my YouTube channel to see it. This lesson has already helped many learners, and I'm sure it will help you. But let me quickly explain it in the next 2 slides. So verbs tell us when the action happens. Present, that means now or every day. You normally just add an S for he, she or it. Past, that's already happened. You normally add ed for regular verbs. And the future, it will still happen. You normally will plus the verb. Tip. Irregular verbs change completely. Go become went. Eat become ate. Here are some examples of past, present and future tense verbs. I play soccer every day, present tense. Yesterday I played soccer, past tense. Tomorrow I will play soccer, future. She runs fast, present. She ran fast yesterday, past. She will run in the race, tomorrow, future. We ate lunch at school, present. We ate pizza last night, past tense. We will eat cake tomorrow, future. But on my YouTube channel, I explain all 12 tenses in detail for a much better understanding. Follow me on my YouTube channel and subscribe at Etta Explores. Lastly, let's look at punctuation rules, the traffic signs of English writing. Punctuations tell us how to read the sentence. Period, that's a stop at the end of a sentence. A comma, small pause. Listen items or separate ideas. Question mark is when you are asking a question. Exclamation mark, excitement or strong feelings. Apostrophe, short form or ownership. Here's a few examples for you. The dog ran fast. Period. Full stop. I like apples, comma, bananas, comma, and grapes, commas in list. What is the time? Question. Wow, that's amazing! Exclamation mark, excitement. It's my birthday, apostrophe for the short form of it is. The cat, the dog, and the bird are friends. Where are you going? Help! I need my pencil. I hope this answered all of your questions. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow my YouTube channel at Etta Explore.
Teacher Etta will teach us. Let's all learn together. Teacher Etta will teach us. Let's all learn together. Teacher Etta will teach us. Let's all learn together.
Stay updated with my latest lessons and travel videos. My YouTube handle is at Etta Explores, and my Instagram and TikTok handles are at Etta to Teach. Follow along and keep watching to continue improving your English daily. This comes by practicing. If you have a question or a topic you want me to cover, drop me a comment below. If I see enough interest, I'll create a video just for you. Thank you for watching. Teacher Etta.